everyone, Amanda Saladin here from Love Life Yarn, and today we're going to be crocheting the Lilac Meadows Baby Blanket. This is a great project. It uses the sedge stitch, so it's an easy stitch pattern, but it gives it a lovely texture. Got a nice little stripe pattern in there as well, and a lacy border that incorporates both colors. So we're going to walk through this together. I'm going to show you every step of the way. If you're looking for more great baby blanket patterns as well as other patterns, come visit us at love.life.yarn.com, where there are more than 100 free patterns, and subscribe to our channel. Materials you'll need for this project include 2 colors of the Feels Like Butter. I used the bonus bundle here, so these are the larger skeins. These have 590 yards per skein, so they're 9.7 ounces. So 2 of these, a size J 6mm crochet hook. I like my soft touch from Clover, a yarn needle, and some scissors. To begin, we're going to chain 93. I've already done my starting chain. That way I always like to do that because I don't want to bore you with this super long chain. And we're going to work into the 3rd chain from the hook. So I like to work in the back. So 1, 2, 3. And we're going to do a half double crochet, and a double crochet into the same space. Okay, so we've got our first little stitch there. Now we're going to skip 2. Okay, so skip the next 2, and then you'll work single crochet, half double in the same space, and then a double crochet, all in the same chain. And we will repeat that. Skip 2, single, half double, double. Okay. And you're going to keep doing that all the way to get to the end, and you should have, after you skip 2 chains, so you should have 1 left. So there should be 3 unworked at the end. I've worked down to my last 3 chains. You're going to skip 2, just like we've been doing, and do a single crochet right here in the last one. My last one, a lot of times gets tight. I have to help it in there, so just do a single. And you've got your first row. Now we'll turn. And this is the row that's just going to be our repeat. We will change the striping pattern. You'll work 20 rows of your main color and then 4 rows of your contrasting color, and repeat that. Be sure to check the written pattern for the number of times to do the striping. But this is the same row you're going to repeat no matter what color you're working. So chain 1. And in this instance, the chain 1 counts as the single crochet in our little group here. So you're going to work half double and a double right here in this first single crochet. Now come down, skip the double and the half double from the last round, and look for your single. You see how each one gets a little shorter. You're going to work into the singles, and you're just going to work the same 3 stitches over and over. Single, half double, and double. And come down, check for that little single if it's the last one in the little group. Single, half double, double. And you're just going to continue this row all the way down, working a single crochet into the very last space. Kind of how we did right down here. You'll have one space at the end, and you'll just do a single crochet in that space. And then you just repeat. Turn, chain one, half double, double, and then make sure you do the single, half double, double, single, half double, double. Makes a nice, easy stitch. It's called the sedge stitch, and I love the way it worked out with this blanket. And so we'll come back together and I'll show you how to do the border. Now I've completed my last section here, and I am at my corner space. I'm going to turn, I already turned my work, and I'm going to leave this color attached because I'm just going to work one round of single crochet in the contrasting color. So let me get that here. Chain one, and you're going to single crochet all the way around. So for this side, you'll single crochet into each stitch from the previous row. So every single, half double, and double. And when we get back around, we'll pick up that main color again. So go ahead and get to the corner, and I'll show you how we're going to work the corner space. Here I am at my first corner space, and this is the half double. We did a chain one, half double, double in this spot. So I'm just going to work right in here. It's okay if it's like it's in this chain one. You can see it's like a little space here. Work in there and do a single, chain one, single, all in the same space. And that turns your corner for you so that you're ready to work down the side. So you can see here's a space. You're going to work one single crochet in the side of each row. So just work evenly down the row. If it starts to pucker at all, that means you have too many single crochets. Sometimes that happens to me and I just take them out. Like I always kind of check it after a few inches and see how it's going. If it's nice and smooth like this, I'll continue. If I see it puckering, where it's kind of weaving like this, I take it out and reduce my number of stitches. And if you don't have enough, the stitches will look real stretched out like this, and you need to go through and add a couple more. So you want it to be nice and even. So you'll just work in each one. So you can see that this is looking nice and even. So I'm going to leave it like this. I'm going to work all the way down to the next corner, and every corner is going to get this single crochet, chain one, single crochet until you come back to the starting corner. Now here we are back where we began. And so right here, I'm going to, so I already have a single crochet right here. So I'm just going to single crochet, oops, pull my other string, chain one, and then slip stitch. And that will complete that first round, because now I've got the single crochet, chain one, single crochet for the corner. Now you can leave that there, the white or whatever contrast color you're using. Chain one, and you're just gonna go around and single crochet in each single crochet from the round below. When you get to the chain one spaces in the corner, let's go on to this one. And you get to this chain one space right here, you're going to work a single crochet, chain one, single crochet in there. And when you come back to the end, we'll finish it the same way. Since we already have a single crochet right here, you'll just work single crochet, chain one, slip stitch. So we'll have a contrasting color round and then a main color round, and leave the contrasting color here because it's going to be used in the next round, and we'd rather not have more ends to weave in than we actually need to. Now that our 2 solid single crochet rows are done, we're going to turn our work and pick up our contrasting color. Now we'll leave a tiny line right there. That doesn't bother me. If it does, you can always cut it and then join it again. And we're going to slip stitch into the chain 1 space so that we can work in the corner. Chain 3 and work 2 double crochet in the same space. Skip the next single crochet. See my line here from that yarn. So this is the next single crochet, skip it, and then single crochet in the next. Skip 1. We're going to work 5 double crochet in the next. Make a nice little scallop. Skip 1, single crochet, and we're just going to repeat this to get this nice lacy edge here, nice scalloped edge. Skip, 5 double crochet, skip, single, skip, 5 double crochet, skip, single. Work all the way down there to the next corner. When you get to the corner, we're going to work one of these 5 double crochet shells in our chain 1 space. So I'm going to go ahead and single crochet here, even if it's not quite just 1 stitch away. If you can't skip a stitch, that's all right. And go ahead and work your 5 double crochet into the chain 1 space in the corner. And that will turn the corner for us, and we can continue doing it the same way. So just work 5 double crochet here, and then you'll skip, single crochet, skip, 5 double crochet, and continue on the way. Just make sure you work 5 double crochet in a corner space and work all the way around till we get back to the beginning. Now here we are back at the beginning corner, and you can see I have 2 stitches left. So I'm just going to skip both of those and work into the same space as our beginning double crochet. Now this chain 3 counted as a stitch, so I have 3. So I need 2 more to finish out my shell of 5. So I'm just going to put 2 more right here. And then I'm going to join with a slip stitch to the top of my turning chain, this chain 3, if it will cooperate. There we go. And that gives us our nice scalloped edge. And you could end it here if you like this look right here. I wanted to go with 1 more round to give it some more color, so I'm going to pick up. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and fasten off my white. I know that I'm done. So we will get rid of that so that it's out of the way. And then, like I said, if this bothers you having this on there, you can just cut it and weave that in later. Personally, for me, I don't mind, so I'm going to keep it there. You're going to chain 3, and we're in the 3rd stitch right here. So you're going to skip, and then you're going to single crochet in this last double crochet, chain 3, skip this single crochet, So you're working in the first double crochet and you're chaining 3. My yarn stuck. And then you're working in the third, so skip the second, work in the third, you're working every other double crochet. Chain 3. So skip that fourth one. So you can see it's giving us a little bit of a lacy edge. So you'll chain 3, work in the first, chain 3, work in the third, chain 3, work in the fifth, and then repeat. So that's all you're doing for this last round. Chaining 3, working in the third, in the first, chain 3, work in the third, chain 3, work in the fifth. Over and over, all the way around till you get to the end, and then at the end you work in the first one, chain 3, slip stitch here, and that will be your project. So if this bothers you, just go ahead and make sure when you're starting this that you cut that and join it again and just weave in those ends. It's really not something that I think that most people would notice, so I'm gonna just leave it there. So that will be our blanket. So hope you've enjoyed this video. I've got lots more videos for baby blankets on my channel. Love it if you would subscribe. Constantly coming out with new videos for stitches, blankets, and other projects. So come visit us at love.life.yarn.com for more than 100 free patterns. Thanks for watching.